Welcome back to another cleanup. Today we want to clean up the banks of this river. There's a lot of trash that has piled up here from the recent high water, and yeah, today we want to get everything out. First find for today, an old football. A metal cup, and of course styrofoam as always. And here's even more. All across the banks, styrofoam, and even more styrofoam. Just as I turned off the camera, another piece of styrofoam and plastic. Oh, and a purple ball that has seen better days. Plastic cup. And we just found a lot of rope that's entangled here on those trees. Let's see if we can get it out. Oh, ja, mach du mal ruhig. Oh, there we go.
Two ropes, I think. Or maybe not? I don't know.
Yeah.
I broke another one of these.
Few technical difficulties.
Plastic bag.
Yeah, very nasty. A children's shovel. And a glass bottle for once. I think that's pretty old. Oh, there we go. 1993. So that's pretty old. 30 years. That's a lot of plastic sheet. You can go. And another plastic ball. Ugh, I think it's an old plastic bag.
Plastic bag, oh yeah, Makov.
Candy wrappers.
You would think this is a stone? Ooh! Nope, styrofoam. Huge chunk of styrofoam. And another piece, and even more. Oops.
A lot of styrofoam is accumulating
everywhere.
here. Yeah. Even more back there.
Even more.
There's a trash hotspot right here. There's another, I don't know what it is yet. There's another plastic bottle. There are bottles. A lot of trash.
Ball.
Another plastic ball. Third one for today. And all those tiny balls are loose already. That's really sad.
Yeah.
Another
Yeah,
plastic bottle.
That.
Yeah, that looks like a piss bottle. And even more styrofoam. Oh, here's another piece.
Styrofoam or is that?
No, that's styrofoam. Of course.
Yeah. You think wood? No, styrofoam.
Ah, not again. Not again. I don't know why people keep throwing them into the rivers. Motor oil. Oh, I think it's just water there. Yeah, 5 liters. Oh man. Ah, good. Another piece of styrofoam out of the river. And styrofoam again. Lots of it. Potato chips from, what's the year? 2021.
Huh, that's new.
2 years.
Oh, it's Chinese Kiev. Phoenix packaging. And more plastic. And another plastic bottle.
do we have here? Oh. Not sure, but that's plastic. Not supposed to be here. More plastic sheet. Holy shit. That's a lot of trash. Styrofoam, bottles, even more bottles up there. Plastic sheet. Oh, that was difficult. So we're able to get some stuff. There's another plastic bottle down there. There we go. Another one. But the large stuff over there, that's too dangerous. Look at that. So much trash. Here's another piece of styrofoam. Another plastic bottle. And there's even a car tire down there. Styrofoam. Glass bottles. A lot of them. Parts from an old bucket. It's old trash. Another Coke bottle. Another Coke bottle. It's covered with trash, the whole dam. It's unbelievable. So much trash. We'll have to come back another time when the water level is lower, because right now it's too dangerous. I don't wanna break in there, and yeah, that's too dangerous right now. I hope a lot of the trash stays here when the water level sinks and doesn't just float out into the ocean. But yeah, that's all we can do for today, unfortunately. It's really sad to see all the trash and not be able to get it out, but it doesn't make any sense now, and yeah, we'll come back another time. Even a whole car tire. Complete tire. In there. So there we go. That's it for today. A completely full plastic bag with a lot of trash, and yeah, this tire from the natural dam over there. It looks like a lake, but it's supposed to be a field. A lot of high water at the moment.